Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right there is cool. I'm going to put it right here in my hand. And basically what these are some compression packing cubes. So you definitely use these to pack like your clothes, your laundry, your underwear, your socks or whatever on this set inside right here. So obviously there's a lot of other ones available for you guys out there in the market today. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what is best for you guys. But this is the one that we have right here. So let's take a look and open up and show you guys what the product looks like inside and how to use it. So the one that we have right here, they have this handle option right here. So you actually carry it around with you guys if you guys want to. If you guys can see right here, they have multiple zippers. So they have one compartment here, another one here, and another one here as well. So 1, 2, 3 different layers right here. Let me open the first one right here first. So when you guys open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So it's definitely a bag inside a bag. When you guys take it out, this is basically what it looks like. So there's two different bags inside right here. And then this is what it looks like inside right here. Now let me actually open up the middle one. Alright. So when you guys open up the middle one, it basically expands the actual bag itself to give more room for the actual bag itself, eventually. So that's basically what happened when you guys open up the middle one right there. And we open the last one right here. There's basically another bag inside right here. And this looks like the biggest one right here. And that's what it looks like for this one right here, once you guys fully open it up. So that's definitely really cool because once you guys are done using the actual packing cubes right here, you guys can fold it back up and stuff it back in here. But let's take a look at the actual bag right here first. So we'll start with the biggest one right here first. You can definitely see how spacious it is. And there's definitely a lot of space for it to actually put a lot of stuff in here. And obviously if there's not a lot of room for actually the product itself, you guys open up the middle part right here. And then basically what that does is expand the middle part. So that way it actually gives you guys more room to put stuff inside here and also on the other side as well. So this is what it looks like on the other side. So obviously the other two bags right here is basically the same thing. These are probably a little bit smaller than the one that I just showed you guys, but they work the same way. If you guys can see, they also have the little handle option right here. Let me actually put some stuff in here to show you guys how much stuff can actually fit inside right here. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got the bag right here if you can see. So you can definitely put stuff on here and you guys don't have enough space. You guys open up the middle part. So I'm actually put some stuff on here first to show you guys what it actually looks like before opening up the middle part. We got the clothes inside right here. So what I want to do now is open up the middle part. So once we open the middle part, it definitely gives some more space right here. So what I want to do now is zip it back up and show you guys what it looks like. So you can see it's nicely compressed in there. If we flip it to the other side, now we have this compartment to put stuff as well. So let's say if I put this jacket inside right here, let me show you guys what it looks like. Right here. So that is basically what it looks like once you guys put everything inside. If I want to make it tighter, I can definitely make it tighter using the middle part right here. Alright, so that is basically what it looks like once you guys fully use the product itself. You can see everything that I just showed you guys just now. All of it fits inside right here. And you guys can actually put more stuff as well, not just what I just showed you guys. Because for this one right here, it's very spacious. If you use the other one that's smaller, then probably not ideal for you guys to put so much stuff in here. But definitely see the actual bag itself works really well. And then once you guys are ready to go, you can carry this part here, put it into your luggage, or just carry like this, and here's all set. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself, and definitely see it actually works pretty well. You guys can definitely put a lot of stuff in here. And definitely using these compression packing cubes are super convenient and super useful. Because if you guys don't use these compression packing cubes, your clothes will be probably like all over the place and not like super organized. Whereas when you guys use these, it's gonna be all organized and you guys know where everything is. And it's all compressed so that way it can actually save a lot of space as well. And you guys won't have to keep pushing your clothes down every single time. So for this set, actually includes 4 of them for you guys. So there's probably like a large one or extra large one right here. And then there's 2 medium ones. And obviously there's a small one. There are some packing cubes or compression packing cubes that give you guys more. And some of them that give you guys less. So you definitely want to do your own research to see how many you guys need in terms of the size. But regardless of which type of compression packing cube you guys get, they all work really, really well if you guys want to be more organized and also save a lot of space. So that way all your clothes are all compressed together and not like all over the place and you guys don't have to keep pushing it down. But now that we're unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. For me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like compression packing cubes that's similar to this one right here is going to be super worth it. Especially nowadays since like everyone's starting to travel again. So you definitely want to make your travel experience much easier and also your packing experience much easier as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.